Now, in next concept, we are going to derive the expression for electric field at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. Now see here, this minus q and plus q is a electric dipole, right? We are going to find the electric field at a point on the axial line. Axial line means the line which is joining minus q to plus q. Now we are going to find the electric field at point M, which is lying on the axial line. Means we are interested to find the electric field at point M, which is a distance x from the center of the electric dipole. And you know, A and A is the distance of separation from the center of the electric dipole to the plus q and center of the electric dipole to the minus q. And also this P is the dipole moment which gives the direction from the minus q to the plus q. You have to understand this diagram very carefully, because without understanding this diagram we can't derive the expression. Now you see here EQ. EQ is a electric intensity due to the minus q charge. E minus q is the electric intensity due to the minus q charge, which is directing towards minus q. I said that electric intensity or electric field for an isolated negative charge is always towards the charge. That's why this E minus q is directing towards the minus q. And here E plus q is the electric field intensity or electric intensity due to the plus q charge, which is directing away from the plus q charge, because electric field due to the isolated positive charge will be away from the charge. And this electric intensity is the resultant electric field. Capital E vector is the resultant electric intensity due to the electric dipole. This is about the diagram. Now first we will find E minus q and E plus q, then we will find the resultant electric intensity. First you take electric intensity due to the plus q charge will be given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus q is there. That's why I am taking plus q. Even though minus q is there also no problem, because I am taking the magnitude. Okay. Distance from where to where? See here, we are taking plus q charge, right? Plus q to the m. See, O to m is a x, right? O to a is the, O to plus q is the a. Then if you want to plus q to m means x minus a. That will be x minus a whole square, because we already derived the expression for the electric intensity due to a point charge, which gives the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square, right? Here see here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught same, q as it is same, and distance between the q to m will be x minus a, and square already it is there, x minus a whole square. It is always away from plus q. It is away from the plus q. Same way you take for the minus q. What you will get? E minus q vector magnitude will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Magnitude we are taking, that's why I am neglecting the negative sign. Now distance between minus q to m, it will be x plus a, x plus a whole square. This will be what? It will be towards minus q, right? Towards minus q. Now we need resultant electric intensity. Means here there are two electric intensities are there, because electric intensity is a vector. If two vectors are there means you can find out the resultant vector by using the several laws. It may be triangular law of vector addition, or it may be parallel law of vector addition. Now see here, E minus q is one direction, right? E plus q is also another direction, means different directions are there, right? Now see here for the E plus q, x minus a whole square is there, means it will be very less. X minus a whole square will be less compared to the x plus a whole square. It will be high. Since x minus a whole square is less, E plus Q will be more, right? Here x plus a whole square is more, then E minus Q will be less. Now if there are two vectors, they are in opposite direction, means if the result, then resultant vector will be whichever the vector whose value is more minus another vector, means resultant electric intensity capital E will be E plus Q minus E minus Q. This is a resultant electric intensity, because vector chapter you already discussed in the first year only, right? We are using the applications of vector here. E plus Q minus E minus Q. What you will get? You will 1/4 epsilon